Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Blessed and Anyam here, and today I'll be making something different, something unique, something I've never tried before. This is my first time trying it, so you guys stick around as I make lentil pudding. Lentil Moimoi. Yeah, so I saw this recipe first at in Delicious Foods channel. You can check out her channel and also see how she did hers. I added some tweaks to mine, and the second time I saw this recipe was on Unique Grace's channel. So I'll just be writing the channel names below here, and I'm giving them the credit because before now I didn't know what was lentil until I saw people creating recipes with it. So I decided to try it out. So these are the ingredients I'll be using: crayfish, bouillon cubes, salt, curry, chicken and turkey stock, onion, pepper, ginger, and the lentil grains. So I've soaked the lentil for like 30 minutes or so just for it to get softer before I can blend it. So this thing here is not palm oil. This thing that looks red is my oil from stew. So if you know, I don't know, some people do it, but I always do it that whenever I cook stew, the excess oil on top of the stew, I scoop it out and keep it for moi moi. It's always very different. Like, if you've never tried it before, try it. When you make your stew, just scoop out that extra oil, save it in your refrigerator for the next time you'll be doing moi moi, and you'll come back and thank me. Okay, guys, so this is just the blended lentil. I'm blending it batch by batch, and then I'll be mixing all the ingredients together. Like I said, I'll be listing the ingredients for you so that you can see the ingredients I used. And it's a pretty simple, just easy process. I was just curious to try this out and see and see what it was going to taste like. But Delicious Food said it tasted good. Unique Grace said it tasted good. I'm like, okay, let me try it as well and see, and let me be a third witness. So I've made my foil into small pouches, and I'm going to be mixing every ingredient together: the crayfish, the chicken stock, the salt, the paprika, the curry, everything I'll be using for this. I'm going to link them down in the description, so you can feel free to recreate the recipe and then tag all of us so that we can see that the lentil stuff is making waves. So before I left my country, I didn't know what was lentil. Like, it's not something common in Nigeria. We don't usually eat it. We just use our beans to do our moi moi and our akara and all the puddings we are making, okay? So, but for me, I just love to try new recipes, try new things, and there's no harm in trying. So basically, this is just it. I'll be mixing everything together and scooping it into the bag, steaming it as usual, the same way you steam your moi moi. As you can see, the consistency is not so watery. It's just in between, not so watery, not so thick. Okay, so that's just basically it. Very, very easy to recreate. So I hope you guys will be trying this recipe and let me know what you think about it. So enjoy, keep watching.
Mama always said, remember, do good, stay classy. Forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be so perfect, but it will be worth it if you're true to who you are. So love me like my biggest fan. Just love me the way no one can. Rediscover happiness said, you better stay classy. Mama said, you better be.
Alright guys, so after about 50 minutes to 1 hour, the moi moi is ready. Our lentil moi moi is ready. So you just allow it to get cool. Allow it to get cold so that you can you can remove it from the foil. If not, it might just stick to the foil. So this is what it looks like, and it looks beautiful, it looks bright, it looks colorful. Remember that when you're making moi moi, you can always add whatever you want to add. Usually I do add chicken or fish or whatever, but because this was my first time, I was like, let me not risk it though. Let me not go and add everything and it will not be nice. But really, it was really very, very nice. It tasted so good, and I'm glad I tried it. So you guys, let me know what you think about it in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.